Good evening, my friends. I am Angeliki from Soul Touch Massage, and today I'm going to show you some little tips about how you can make your face to look more fresh, with some simple techniques that we're going to use, and with some simple and magic items I'm going to use. It's my silicone cups and these little spoons that I bought from the Chinese shop, and some very natural ingredients like a mixture with coconut oil and honey in it. So let's start. First, sorry, let me use that so I can put the things up there. So I'm going to start by putting some of this mixture. Here we are. So it can be slippery, the skin, for the cups to slip on it. So we take these little silicone cups and we start to pull the skin, and make them slip. They're amazing. They're just increasing the blood flow. You might see some little marks there, some little toxins that are under our skin, and they are removed after this massage. You can see how much it's increasing the blood flow and make it red and fresh. You can also do a little bit of lymphatic with that. It's a fantastic anti-aging massage because it helps also with collagen production, and you can really feel the difference after that, and the day after, of course. And now I'm going to use my little spoons. They're going to work as the gua sha. It's exactly the same thing that it's doing. And you will see, probably, again, the red marks. It doesn't mean anything bad. They're very good. And they're just a way for the body to show that it had some toxins under. So we're really removing these toxins. And we throw them out towards the lymphatic nodes, wherever they are. Another little trick that you can do, it's you can use some cold rollers after that, or some stones. really helps with collagen production. Don't be afraid if you see that it's getting red. It's a very good thing because it imitates the natural way that the body has to heal. Amazing. See how red I have become. So now we're going to do a little lymphatic. Just try to activate your lymphatic nodes. And we're going to throw or guide all the lymphatic liquids. Okay, my friends, this is a part of my lymphatic massage, not lymphatic, sorry, of my anti-aging face massage, which includes the work with the silicone cups, the gua sha. I can use sometimes the rollers, the face massage, the face lymphatic massage, and sometimes I use also the herb balls or the hot and cold stones, or a combination of all of them, and it works amazingly. It really helps the body to it helps the face to relax and to flush out all the toxins that it has got, and slowly it really looks younger and clearer. Thank you very much for watching my video. That was for tonight, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Good night.